Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Counter-Strike 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background within your main menu. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Counter-Strike 2 game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can directly start playing from various different game modes. Now within the home page, if you would like to change the background or the stage that your character is standing on, then to do this, just look for the settings button at the bottom right corner instead of top left. Once you tap on this button, you will see various controls, including the change main menu scenery. Once you click on this, you can choose from the various different levels that are available. Just click on whichever level you prefer, and now the background will be changed to your selected one right away. You can change this at any time, as many times as you want within your main menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the background within your homepage on the Counter-Strike 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.